Hey guys, how's it going? It's BobbyKBikes here and welcome to another Tomos Luxus video. Today I'm hoping we're going to do some mechanical rebuild stuff in the headset. That's going to be the first priority. Also going to show you some stuff with the bottom bracket. And that's the plan for today's video. The rear hub is all back together again. Might need a little bit of a tweak. Got all the front end sort of shiny bits all polished up, ready to go back on. I'm going to replace the brake cable. I'm going to put mirrors on it, which is going to be cool. There's one or two bits of the paintwork that might need a touch up. Because this is a rat bike, I'm just going to stick a bit of Hammerite on with a brush. Normally I'd hate myself for Hammerite brushing a bike. I've had to undo several botched Hammerite jobs that I did when I was younger and didn't know any better. But it kind of fits with the look of the bike, so we'll maybe do a bit of Hammeriting. Anyway, let's crack on and I'll show you some cool stuff. I managed to get the cotter pin out using the trick from the Trent Tourist video with the vice. And now, to get the crank off. Now, this bike only has a cotter pin on one side. This has been common on a few folding bikes that I've owned. And so the only way to get into the bottom bracket is to get that crank off. And you can wiggle it a little bit, but it was proving a bit stubborn. So, this is a little trick that I'm going to show you. Put the socket there like so, then bring in your ball joint separator and get it, tighten it up a little. Then get your spanner and tighten it. There we go. The crank is off. Okay, this nut is a left-hand thread, so everything's the wrong way around. You turn it to the right to undo it. There's a little washer in this cover, and then there's this part, which will also be left-hand threaded, and it's just finger tight. Just need to get ready to catch some bearings. There we go. Looks like the balls are in a race. We're in luck. Oh, would you look at that? That is pretty minging. Remember what I said in the Trent Tourist video about how we've taken worse things out of newer bikes? Prime example right here. Prime example. Pretty dirty ball race. Same for the other side. Now let's have a little look through. That's pretty dirty. All that 40-something-year-old grease in there. Nasty. But let's get those bottom bracket parts in methylated spirits and give them a good clean.